In this video, we are unboxing the large swivel head extendable ratcheting wrench. The large swivel head extendable ratcheting wrench. The swiveling ratchet head for tight spaces and awkward angles. Pull the collar to extend the handle. For deeper reach action, this ratcheting head is a 1/2 inch drive. Using a large 21mm long socket for demonstration. Select the appropriate socket based on the appropriate socket, using the outer tie rod-in retaining nut as an example, using the large 21mm long socket for this demonstration. Press the button on the ratcheting head and attach the socket. Then complete the installation. Position the socket towards the target bolt. Rotate the selector lever counterclockwise. On the ratcheting head, push to the left. That's how to remove it. Rotate the selector lever clockwise. To the right is the tighten way. During loosening, if the bolt is too tight, we can extend the handle by pulling the collar to gain more leverage. If working in a tight spot, we can adjust the angle using the swiveling ratcheting head. This wrench can also be used in the opposite direction, depending on the using situation. Push the lever to the right for tightening direction. We can work at different angles as needed. After the job is done, remove the tool. Press the button on the ratcheting head and remove the socket. The above demonstration is for instruction. In actual use, please select the appropriate length and angle based on the specific vehicle and application.